I'd like to introduce you to the Caterpillar MD5125 drill. Totally designed with both customer performance expectations and operator comfort in mind, the CAT MD5125 drill provides for ease of operation with its reliable and ergonomic control panel layout within our unique multi-directional swing type cab. The flexibility of the MD5125 operator's cabin ensures the ability to position the operators well away from acoustic sources or hazardous environments encountered in a mine or construction job, such as the free faces or the high wall on a bench, as well as providing unparalleled viewing positions when conducting drilling operations. The flexibility of the MD5125's operator cabin ensures the ability to position operators well away from acoustic sources or hazardous environments encountered on a mine or a construction job, such as the free faces or the high wall on a bench, as well as providing unparalleled viewing positions when conducting drilling operations when compared to competitors' equipment. These competitive combinations help to reduce on-the-job hazards and allow for better operator production planning, which, as you know, will result in increased production. Let me take you over some of the key features of the Caterpillar MD5125 drill. A robust excavator type undercarriage equipped with triple cleat grousers for gripping a wide variety of terrain. 330mm or 11-inch ground clearance, plus or minus 8-degree undercarriage oscillation, which when combined with the unique multi-directional swing type cab will allow an experienced operator to negotiate contours and terrain with ease. Our feed rail setup is rather simplistic. We have our dust pot, our centralisers, a linear rod changer with very few movable parts, as well as our rock drill, which is able to be tailored to suit our client's requirements. On top of this, we can service this rock drill on the rig in the pit in less than 3 hours. One of the key considerations for Caterpillar has been operator safety, and by this we have removed more hydraulic components out of our cab than what has been there in the past. We've installed a hammer compensating valve outside the cab for ease of access for maintenance personnel. This is a hose reel on our feed rail, which is interchangeable with a drum type assembly. As we can see, access into the left-hand side panel of the Caterpillar MD5125 drill is unsurpassed. We have free access as an operator or even a technical personnel into our Sullair 400 CFM compressor, the receiver tank, sight glasses. We also have free access into the diesel tank fill point, the hydraulic oil fill point, all without requiring operators or technicians to get off the ground, therefore making the job safer. Keeping the drill cool on the MD5125 drill is an absolute breeze. Caterpillar have fitted the MD5125 drill with a dual cooler pack arrangement, which is able to operate within ambient temperatures of up to 52 degrees Celsius or 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Where you may see a competitor's drill shutting down on over temperature in hot conditions, very rarely would you encounter this on the MD5125 drill. This can be attributed to the location and size of the efficient side-by-side cooler pack. Located under the cooler pack arrangement is the battery box. A simple removal of a couple of bolts will allow maintenance or operator personnel easy access into the slide-out battery compartment. Years of experience has shown me that free access to operational parts is absolutely crucial on a production drill. As you can see here, opening up the rear doors of the 5125 drill provides free access into the CAT C11 Tier 3 engine. From here, we're easily able to check our dipstick, we're able to lubricate fan bearings, we can inspect guards and cowlings quite easily, again without needing to actually stand up or get into the machine itself. Located at the top of the enclosure on the rear of the drill is the mast rest. Here we can see that our feed rest arrangement has been equipped with a proximity switch, which when activated activates a light within the operator's cab to show that the feed rail is correctly supported by the feed rest arrangement. Hole fallback or cuttings falling back down a blast hole is the bane of all operators. If you haven't got an effective dust collector system, well then you're just fighting against the breeze. One of the benefits of our machine is that we've got a great dust collector system that removes all the drill cuttings away from your hole and effectively disposes them at the back of the machine. Changing filter elements on our dust collector system is absolutely a cinch. The simple removal of 4 bolts will allow the hopper to drop down on these hinges, which will allow free access for maintenance personnel to remove and replace filter elements inside. After all the filter elements have been replaced inside, putting the hopper back into position is really simple. We simply turn the dust collector on within the cab, push on the hopper, it will seal itself back up again, then all we need to do is replace these 4 bolts and the job's done. As previously mentioned, safe and effective access into all of our enclosure areas is essential on a drill. Unlike our competitors, we can access just about all components on this machine simply by opening up the doors, and it's here, right here for us. Here we have a pump station. On comparable drills, these sort of pump stations are located in areas that make for quite long maintenance times. From here, if we need to perform any maintenance within our pump station, everything's right there and ready to go for us. If an operator needs to change over their thread lube for providing grease on the drill string, it's as simple as replacing the drum that's located within this pump station area. Access through the right-hand side doors. Again, we can get into track lubrication points, regulator and air service packs, or the rear of the compressor. We have 2 options of our boom. As we can see here, fixed boom, long mast version, or we can supply a short mast extendable boom.